Diameter of a roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeter. It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over to level a playground. Find the area of the playground in meters square. So a roller is there. Okay, roller we know that is to level, used to level the ground. No? So what is the shape of the roller? That is cylinder. Okay, cylinder. So diameter is given 84. So here diameter is equal to D is equal to 84 centimeter. So it will be 40 to diameter divided by radius will be equal to 84 divided by 2, that is 42 centimeter it will come. Now height, that is the length of the roller, it is given 120 centimeter. Now that roller makes 500 revolution, that means 500 times it will roll. Okay, to level a surface, that means the area, one time when it rolls, one time the curved surface area it will come. 500 times it rolls means 500 times curved surface area which will come. Okay, so curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. So that is equal to 2 into 42 into 120. So 42 and 7, 8. Yeah. So 12, 12 of 144. So 144 then into 22. 1440 multiplied by 22. 368. That was only? No.
Zero नहीं लिखा है मैंने 144 22 लिख दिया
Now that much centimeter square, that is one time rolling it is given. So area to be level. So area to be level is equal to 500 into this one, that is 3160680. So how much it will come?
1580 centimeters. Where?
Eight.
0 और 80 और 2 चार जीरो आता है
Four zeros it will come. That much centimeter square. Okay. So you have to convert it into meter square. So yeah. So you can cancel that zeros. So 1584 meter square. So area, that much area you have to level. Okay. Vertical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the curved surface area of the pillar at the rate of 12 rupees 50 paise. So it is given a cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter. Diameter is given 50 centimeter and height is 3.5 meter. So you have to paint that one, and the cost of painting is 12 rupees 50 paise. So D is equal to 50 centimeter, or R is equal to 25 centimeter, 50 divided by 2. So you can convert that one into meters because everything is given in meters. So height is equal to 3.5 meter. Okay. Now third surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. So that is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.25 and into 3.5. So 3.5 and 7 you can cancel. 0.5 it will come. No, 3.5. Okay. So here 2 into 0.5, 1 it will come. Then you have to multiply by 22 into 0.25. So get the answer 22 into 0.25. 5 meter square. Okay. Or 1/4 of this one you have to find out. That is enough. Okay, 1/4 of 5.5. Now, cost of painting. So, cost of painting will be 5.5 multiplied by 12.50. So 5.5 multiplied by 12.50. That is 12 is 50 paise. Here, 68.75. So we need 68.75, that is 68 rupees 75 paise to paint that pillar. Okay. Surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. If the radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, you are asked to find out its height. Okay, so it is given curved surface area. Curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 4.4 meter square. 4.4 meter square. So we know that curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 4.4. Now 2 into 22 by 7. Then R value which is given 0.7. Okay. Into H is equal to 4.4. Now this one you can cancel, you will get 0.1. So 0.1 into 2. Okay, 0.2 you are getting into 2.2. That is 4.4 you are getting. No, so 4.4 H is equal to 4.4. So what will be H? 4.4 by 4.4. That is equal to 1. So that 1 meter will come. Okay. Well, that's 3.5 meter and it is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. The cost of plastering this curved surface area at the rate of 40 per meter square. So it is given circular well, diameter it is given 3.5 meter. So D is equal to 3.5 meter. So R you can take 3.5 divided by 2. So we'll keep it like that.
1.2.
We'll keep it like that so that we can easily cut that. Okay. H is equal to, what is the depth of that one? 10 meter, no?
Yes.
Yeah, 10 meter. So, curved surface area of cylinder. Well, हुआ ना? हुआ बोलते हैं?
Yes.
Okay, well, the shape is that of a cylinder. So, curved surface area of cylinder you are asked to find out. That is equal to 2 pi RH. So, here 2 into 22 by 7, 3.5 by 2 into 10, it will come. So, 2 you can cancel here. Yeah. So 22.5 into 10, 5 it will come. Half of 10. 5.
0.
Yeah. If multiplied by 22. 5 into 22. How much it will? 110 it will come. So 110 meters square. Now you have to find out the cost of plastering. Cost of plastering is 110 multiplied by 40. $4,400. Okay. So, where is the cost of plastering that well? In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface of the system. So here it is a pipe. Pipe means shape is that of a cylinder. Okay. So radius is given, diameter is equal to 5 centimeter. So that diameter is equal to 5 centimeter. So radius will be 2.5 centimeter. Okay. So if you want to convert that one, yeah, 0.025. No. Divide by 100. Okay. Now length is equal to 28 meters. So h is equal to 28 meters. So curved surface area, the radiating surface means curved surface area of cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. That is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.025 multiplied by 28. So 28 times 7 you can cancel 4 times. So 2 into 4, 8. 8 into 22. Then multiply by 0.025. Is that answer? Last answer. Final answer. What 0.4 meter square? Final answer, no? So here you are getting 4.4 meter square. Only that much is asked, no?